In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new blog post to your grade level blog. You'll see that I'm on the Chandler Wix site and that this is the list of all of our grade level blogs. I'm going to be using the second grade blog as an example. So just scroll down and find your blog, and then you're going to click on Edit Site. Alright, now that this window is opened up, I can go ahead and edit the second grade blog. This right here is the blog feed. You'll notice when you roll over any of the elements on the page, a little description comes up as to what it is. So this is the blog feed. You'll also notice that your blog looks very similar to this. When we set up all the websites at the beginning of the year, we just made them all uniform. So it should be easy to follow with this video. You'll already have a Welcome Back to School blog post on your site, and just click anywhere in that box. A new menu will pop up. You'll want to click on Add New Post. So this is the screen where you can begin to type your new blog post. If I click on top of Add an Engaging Title, I can go ahead and type in my new title. Since the Halloween parade is coming up on Friday, I think I will use that as my sample. You can leave the date, change the date if you want to backdate it or date it ahead of time, and then it will post automatically when it reaches that date. Here you can click and type in your name if you want to as the author, but that's optional. If I click here, I can begin typing my blog post. Okay, so now the typing for my blog has been done, and I'd like to add an image to this blog post. I'm going to come up here and click on Image. If I want to add a gallery, a group of photos, I can click on Gallery, and if I want to add a video, I can click on Video. For this blog post, I'm going to add an image. In this window, you'll see a gallery of all of the images that have been uploaded to any of our Chandler websites. Over here, you'll see your different grade levels. You'll want to click on the grade level that you're at. So since I'm working on the second grade blog right now, I'm going to click on second grade. And you'll see that I've already uploaded an image of a pumpkin that I can use on this Halloween blog post. I will show you how to upload images right now. If you are looking for an image, you can click on Upload Image. And then you can select where you save that image on your computer. I like to create a folder that says blog, and all of the images that I get from the internet I save into that folder so that when I'm uploading them to the website, they're easy for me to find. So you'll notice right down here is the pumpkin image that I saved, and I just click on that and click Open. If you're working on a Mac, you can also just drag images in. So you don't have to click on this. You can also drag images in. Now that I have two pumpkins, I can show you also how to delete an image since I don't need both of them. When you roll over, you'll notice that another menu appears, and right in the middle is a trash can, so you can just click on that and that will delete the image. So I want to select this pumpkin for my blog post. I'm going to click on it, and you'll notice that a little check mark appeared in the corner. That means that it's been selected. And then I come down here and I'm going to click on Apply. Okay, so here's my post, and if I click outside of the image, you'll see those are the words that I typed before. But this image is rather large, and I'd like to resize it. So right down here, you'll notice that there's a diagonal arrow, and if I click and drag that, I can resize the image right here. Okay, so I think that's good. If I click outside of the image, again, I can see the words that I typed before. If I click on the image, a new menu appears, and that allows me to make changes to this image. So I can align it left, center, or right. I can also link this image to something by clicking this link. You can link it to a web address, you can link something to an email, you can link an image to a page or to a document. Page means to another page on your website. Document, for example, if I had a worksheet that I wanted parents to be able to print out at home, I could have an image of that worksheet and I could link it to a PDF document or a Word document, and then when they click on the image, then it would open up that document for them to print at home. Okay, so since I just want an image for this and I don't want it linked to anything, I'm going to close that window. I'm going to check over my blog post, and if everything looks okay, then you just click on Publish Post. It gives you a confirmation saying that your post has been published. You can just close that window. And then it takes you to your post management page. So you'll see a list of all the posts that you've made so far. So far in the second grade blog, we have 2 posts. And from here, you can delete old posts. You can duplicate posts. So if you're posting something like a weekly homework sheet, you can duplicate that post for the following week and then just go into the new post and make changes. That way you don't have to keep retyping everything all over again. And then here you can share your post. So right now we're good. I'm going to click on the X to close this window. And you'll see I'm back at the second grade homepage. And right now on my blog feed, it used to just be this post, but now my new post has appeared. So I want to click Preview to make sure that everything looks okay on the live site. So this is what it's going to appear like on the live site. And again, I'm just going to check over my blog post. That looks okay, so I'm going to click on Back to Editor. And that brings me back to my editing page. Okay, now it's important that after you have created your blog post and you've checked it and it looks okay, that you publish your post. Publishing means that it's actually going to be posted on your live website. So we want to make sure that that happens. So I'm going to click on Publish. And this confirmation window will pop up. If you want to see what it looks like on your site, just click on View Site. A new window will open up of your actual website. So this is the actual second grade website, and this is the new post that we just created. And you'll notice if parents click on the Read More button, then it expands the post. So I'm going to close that. Now I'm back at my editing site. I'm going to close the confirmation window that they gave me. And now I'm ready to close this page because I'm finished working. Once you publish, you can be assured that everything that you've done has been saved. If you make any additional changes after publishing, you will have to save and publish again. Okay, since I did not make any other changes after I published, I'm going to close this window. Now this confirmation window always pops up. It just notifies you that unsaved changes will be lost, and it asks you if you're sure you want to leave this page. If you have just published and you know that you made no other changes after publishing, you don't have to worry about this. You can go ahead and leave this page. So since we did not make any other changes, I'm going to click on Leave this page. Okay, and that takes me back to the Chandler Wix site. So those are the steps of how to add a new blog post to your blog.